a candle, plate and a water mixed with food color. Water in the plate. Light the candle and put the glass over the candle. See, the fire is gone and the water is coming up because of the air pressure. Take the glass. I'm going to show you second air pressure experiment. For this we need a tray and a wet tissue and a candle. The candle. Put the glass over the candle. See, the fire is gone. Wow, I can lift the tray with the glass.